bringing flowers from the outside to the inside. It's such a life force for me, and I want it to be for all of you if it isn't already.
These flowers are coming inside into your home.
It's really important that they have the feel that you love. I love not just having one central arrangement, I love having a couple of extra bits, kind of different heights.
I'm simply going to pass it through the chicken wire.
And what's wonderful about garden flowers is you get more spirit. You'd never buy a tulip like that in the supermarket.
There's nothing more joyful, really, than opening a good press.
Every single day of my life, I have to have something picked. It's a total love affair. It's a connection to the seasons, connection to nature.
Everyone needs to do this. It's so good for your soul. It's what we need.